If you're looking for a plaster sprayer that is affordable, and if you're not needing to spray large quantities of plaster, then perhaps the Graco Texspray FastFinishPro might just be the sprayer for you. Graco introduced the Texspray FastFinishPro as a solution for those that need to spray plaster but do not necessarily want or have the budget from one of the much larger plaster sprayers. So this is a much more cost-effective, affordable solution to spray plaster. Now, instead of an airless paint sprayer, we have an air compressor that attaches to a spray gun with a 5.7 liter hopper. You'll have a few adjustment settings on the spray gun, and this hopper is pressurized. So unlike quite a few other gravity-fed hoppers, this one will need to be sealed properly so that there is pressure maintained inside the hopper. And then on the spray gun itself, you'll have a setting to control material as well as a setting for the air pressure. In front, if we take a look at the nozzle, there's a wide Tex flat nozzle, and you can get this in a 4mm, 6mm or 8mm nozzle. You'll be able to spray a few plasters or fillers, and that includes your synthetic stuccos, your decorative and acoustic plasters, your EIFS, which is the exterior insulation and finish system, which is a synthetic stucco, as well as a smooth touch-up. A little bit more about the specifications. The hopper is a 5.7 liter hopper. This is a 230 volt machine. It has an air compressor of 255 at 2.8, that's LPM over bar. For cubic feet per minute, we have 9 CFM at 40 PSI. The air hose is a 3.8 inch 15 meter hose, and this unit together weighs 35.5 kilograms. If you want to learn more about the Graco Texspray FastFinishPro, there'll be a link in the description that has an article that has all the specifications and applications so that you can just check that out if you're unsure of anything. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave it in the comment section below. And of course, you can give us a call if you want to purchase the sprayer. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great spray.